that come into mind going into tomorrow's fixture?
Yeah. Yes, before I became head coach of here from last year, and before I don't know the result, and this is my first time, first match against the Philippines, and I saw three match Philippines match in YouTube, Indonesia, Thailand, and last week Malaysia. And I think Nepal, sorry, Philippines, good team and strong, and ranking higher than us, 124 FIFA ranking, and our team 170, means stronger, and individual, tall, strong, run much, and have good experience. But I don't know tomorrow's match. That's why, but we try to best, and we try to get point.
Well, in our team, most of the players are new, young players, so only we 3 or 4 players from our whole team. So even though that we will give our best, we play. Our preparation is very good. We know that Philippines is a good team. So, but then also we'll give our best. And everything will be fine.
Good morning. Sir Harjam, were you with the team when the Philippines beat you last time?
Before?
Yeah, before.
Yeah, I was with the team.
When was that?
Sorry?
When was the last time you were with the team when the Philippines beat you?
I was there in Qatar.
In Qatar?
Yeah, for friendly match.
4-0.
Yeah.
3-0.
Sorry. 3-0.
And how about in the Philippines? Not yet.
Before, I've been here in Philippines 2009.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So you think there might be a different outcome compared to what you played against in Qatar? Much more closer, or maybe a possibility of an upset based on the rankings?
No, but this time we'll do team. Everyone is fit and fine. So we'll give our best, and everything will be from this side. I think we'll get to the top 5.
Coach, before this game, how many weeks of preparation did you have before the Philippine game? And where?
2 weeks.
2 weeks of preparation.
Before 2 weeks,
Yes.
2 weeks before I selected the players, and
Together.
Yes, together. And 2 weeks
In Nepal?
Yes, in Nepal, and we didn't have friendly match. This is first match.
So before the AFC Cup qualifiers, you didn't have any friendly match?
From after Soldier Cup, Soldier
When was that, sir?
last November.
Last November. Tumali.
Good morning, coaches. Good morning, Viraj. Namaste. Kevin Estrada from Dado Philippines. I would like to ask that there are already reports that the Nepali expatriates here are showing their full force. How do you expect maybe 1,000 of them going to Rizal Memorial to watch you play? The Nepalese who are based here in the country, there are reports in GoNepal.com that 1,000 of them will come to watch in Rizal. So how are you facing, how are you comparing with a lot of compatriots here to watch you play?
I know a lot of Nepali people waiting good result, but it is not easy to get good result. I know Philippines is a good team, strong, and but we will play best match.
Okay, we have room for one more question.